Have you ever yawned right after seeing someone else yawn? It's not in your head, it's real science. When you see a yawn, your brain activates special regions that control empathy and social connection. Your mirror neurons fire, copying what you see. It's your brain's way of saying, I feel what you feel. And studies using brain scans show that areas like the eyes, anterior cingulate and the insula light up, the same zones that help us understand others' emotions. So when someone yawns nearby, your brain picks up the signal and joins in, almost like a built-in sync between humans. Follow for more mind-blowing science facts.